Hey folks, welcome to this particular video. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about your dropshipping business. In case you are already doing dropshipping business in the US market, or in case you're planning to start your dropshipping business in the US market using a Shopify store, this particular video can help you in saving a lot of money. Now, in order to start your dropshipping business, what do you need? You need a website which you can create on Shopify. You can find the link below and start your 14 days trial. Create a Shopify store. In case you don't know how to create a store, I'll put a complete guide also below this video so you can use that. Once your store is set up, you need to find a reliable supplier, a reliable place from which you can list on the items. You know it's an authentic item, the delivery is happening. You cannot go with the Walmart or Home Depot like stores, because if you use them as your drop shipping suppliers, they will putting their own labels and own tapes and everything, and your customer will not take it in a good taste that they are ordering from your website whatever price you are asking for, and in return Walmart is giving them the deliveries. So what do you need? You need a trusted app, a trusted store which can give you in a plain branding, best of the best of the products which can give you. And for that, Shopify has a trusted app which I'm going to talk in this particular video. And also I'll tell you how you can save tons and tons of money if you take action now. Even before 10th of September, if you take action, you're going to save a lot of money. So let's get started straight away. I am now logged into, just give me a minute, let me start sharing my screen. So if you go to the Shopify app store, you find one of the best apps which I feel for the US market is called Merch Mixer. Merch Mixer is a US drop shipping app. You will find the top US brand, 500k products, one-click export, 2-day shipping period. One of the best. You can watch this particular video which is given there, and this is going to give you tremendous products. US based warehouse, typically 2 to 10 business days, faster shipping, electronics, audio, apparel, and 30 other product categories, and so much so. You can have a detailed look and feel about this particular app on this page. You can just see sales price, and this is giving you that, okay, and this is of course better than AliExpress or other drop shipping stores. Merch Mixer is one of the trusted Shopify apps. Now, in order to get Merch Mixer, there's a subscription cost to it. There's a free payment that you can import 25 uh, products. Product cost discount will not be there. Premium products will not get. Then you can subscribe it for $49 a month, where you can import 1,000 product. You can get 2 to 5% discounts on the product and 100 premium products. And then there's $79 per month product import, and so forth. Now let me stop sharing my screen once more and start opening my camera. So what I've recommended you is Merch Mixer. Merch Mixer, one of the trusted Shopify apps for US dropshipping. So now you'll be thinking, okay, it's okay, fine, Merch Mixer is there. We'll subscribe if you want to do and all that stuff. No. Now the second skill which I'm sharing with you is an excellent offer from Merch Mixer, which has just come today and only valid for the next 4 days. So today till 10th of September, the offer is there. I'm going to share this offer with you so that you know the offer, exact offer you should know. And if you take action today before 10th of September, you are going to save. You don't have to pay monthly $49, monthly $79. You're not even restricted for number of products and discounts and everything. So let me start sharing my screen once more with you guys. And here we go. So if we go with a deal which Merch Mixer has just come up, it's a lifetime deal, only and only for $99. And if you use my code, I'll give you a code below this video, you will save another 10%. So 99 minus 10% is your final cost. So top brands from Colorex, Purell, Asus, Samsung, and others. It's an alternate to other dropshipping stores. Massive catalog, of course. It's a Shopify store product. As we said, 500k products are there. Now what I'm going to share with you are the feature. If you pay $99 today as a one-time fees to Merch Mixer. You don't have to pay $79 a month, $49 a month. What you get exactly doesn't going to tell you. So of course it's a US based store, US inventory, fast shipping. We've just read that right on the app store. Now what you're going to do is you don't have to pay any monthly subscription cost to Merch Mixer. You just pay one time $99. Only for Shopify sellers. Unlimited orders. That means you can accept unlimited orders. Unlimited products you can import. Lowest plan product cost. So product cost is what you're going to discount on that. And for the Shopify stores. Icing on the cake is once you subscribe to this product for $99 for lifetime, you still have got 60 days to try. That means in case you are not satisfied, you say, okay, I'm not satisfied or something like that, you have a 60 days money back guarantee. So test it today. Instead of paying $49.79 a month, simply subscribe it for $99 for a lifetime. Start your dropshipping business. In case you already have a Shopify store, in case you're already drop shipping on Amazon or on Shopify on the US market, why don't you try Merch Mixer? In case you want to experience this product, you still got 3-4 days with you. You can subscribe for the free plan, try it over and see how it moves. 25 products you still can import. But with this $99 subscription, you can import unlimited products, unlimited orders you can take. Lowest plan product cost will be charged to you. That is a discount and everything. Because with every sale you do, you pay a commission to them. Right? So lowest plan product cost will be charged to you. And this is one of the best offer which I have just come across for the US based drop shipping sellers. So this is what I wanted to share in this particular video today with all the US dropshipping guys. All you need is a Shopify store. You can create it, get a 14 days trial. You can find the link below. How to create a store, you can find the guide link below. Otherwise, if you want some freelancers to create the store for you, that's also possible through Fiverr and Kwork, etc. site. I'll put a link to that as well, so it becomes easy for you in case you want to delegate this task. And lastly, for the Merch Mixer lifetime deal, which is only and only till 10th of September, please take action now. 10th of September, this $99 offer is there. Even if you are taking some time to start it, subscribe to this offer. You got 60 days to return the product in case you don't like the scheme and everything, whatever Merch Mixer is offering to you. But this is one of the trusted apps on Shopify stores. Shopify has got ample trust on this particular store. All you need is Shopify and the Merch Mixer. After 10th of September, you will go back to the same thing, free $49.79 a month. Before 10th of September, you straight away get at $99 one time. Use my code. I'll put a code also below this particular video. Use my code, get an extra 10% off. So 99 minus 10 is approximately $89 you pay one time for unlimited products, unlimited export, lowest plan product cost. So I hope you like this video. In case you have any question related to Merch Mixer or any other thing related to e-commerce or dropshipping, drop me a message below. Let's connect and I'll try to resolve any query you have. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you all.